Hey Neil. Okay, so Precision Plumbing Pros, right? Which I had you build under this URL, Septic Precision Plumbing. The URL domain is now ready to be connected properly to the domain name, to the URL. So this is their URL right here, precisionplumbingpros.com. I need this to be connected to this website, please, that you built here. So I'm not sure how to do it, but if you can just assist me with that, that would be great. Let me know what you need as far as maybe accessing this, so that we can get it done. But I just need this to be Precision Plumbing Pros and not Septic Precision Plumbing. All right, I hope you can help me with this. Thank you, Neil. All right, I'll talk to you soon.